All right, listen up. It is your guy, T Walk, aka Tracy Walker, reporting live, your radiology liaison. Thank you for listening. Thanks for watching my videos. Listen, this video is about the rear air diffuser on a 2014 through 2019 Corvette base model ZR6 Grand Sport. As you can see, I have the Z06. I think I said ZR6. These are both of my cars. The wife Mobile is not home right now. She has two. She is a believer. She's made me a believer. But the Toyota Prius, yes, they are champions and they will never fail. So anyways, like I said, this video is about the Vicrez air rear diffuser. If you have any questions about that, do not hesitate. Hit me up in the comments. I kid you not, I will answer every single last one of your questions. The price, so this Vicrez air diffuser right here cost me around $749. It cost me $300 to get it installed. The reason why it cost me $300 to get it installed, because I had to get it installed twice because I broke it off. I'll tell you about that later and how that happened. Beware of where you park at, because you could potentially rip off your rear air diffuser. Also, I'm going to talk a little bit about my front spoiler, and how that is broken and how I'm going to get that replaced in a second. So if you are looking to make your life better, you are in the right spot. The reason why is because I'm out here just living life just like you, and I occasionally try to record those things and let you know how to handle them. Like, there's no one out here. Listen, there are gatekeepers out here, and gatekeepers are the people who gain information and they do not share it. They take shortcuts in life. Maybe they got a good deal on something. Someone told them how to go around and take shortcuts, and they do not tell you how to get there. Those are gatekeepers. Gatekeepers are the people who are keeping you from getting that promotion that you greatly deserve, that promotion you're supposed to be getting. But that sergeant, that supervisor, that whoever, that relative, even yourself, it could be you being a gatekeeper to your own success. But hey, listen up. I just want to tell you guys to beware of these things right here. I don't know what they are called, but beware of them, because they will ruin your car. If your car is low, Mustang, GTRs, whatever you got, if you have a front spoiler lip, this is what happened right here. Yo, all right now. Beware of this, because this is what happened to me. It cost $1,200 to replace the front splitter, but I've hit it 2 more times since and re-put it back on. So I don't trust myself enough to buy a new one, a whole new splitter, until I don't hit it for, like, I don't know, a whole month without hitting it. Then I'll make sure to replace this, because I feel like it makes the whole entire car look ugly, and I know it's there, and it makes it undrivable to me. But obviously I'm driving it, so I'm full of crap. Anyways, another thing I want to talk about is this guy right here. So of course that's what this video is about. I got these installed, and that same parking block that I was telling you about up there earlier, I reversed on one, and then, like, the weight of, whenever I got out of the car at Albertsons and I got back in, the weight of me and the esposa, we sat down. You like I'm using the Spanish, right? We got back in the car, and we pulled out. I heard something really loud, and I was like, oh my God, I know exactly what that was. I had this for a whole week, and I ripped it off on one side. So this side got ripped off, so I had to go back to the place who installed them for me, and they put them back on. They drilled extra holes to reinforce them, so they put holes everywhere. So yeah, so not only did they put the holes that included with the package of the diffusers, rear diffusers, they install extra holes. So I recommend that if you guys get rear diffusers put onto your cars, the heavy duty, legit, real ones, not the little plastic ones you get on Amazon or eBay for like 20 or 60 bucks, but the real legit ones. I forget how much these cost me. I will put that into the video. But yes, if you get the real legit air diffusers, they're really heavy. I don't know, maybe like 10 pounds each. They can be ripped off. So make sure you install extra nuts and bolts and all that stuff so they won't get ripped off as easily. But all right, peace out, guys. Guys, there is one more thing that I left out that I wanted to tell you. I am a gamer. Better yet, I am a hardcore gamer. I play PS5, PS4. So if you guys want to hang out with me outside of YouTube, I'll play this game called Dead by Daylight. I'll tell you about it in a second. But first, I'm gonna tell you my gamer tag. My gamer tag is Hard Body Tough, capital H, capital B, capital T, and tough is spelled Tough. Hard Body Tough. Everything else is lowercase. Hard Body Tough, capital H, capital B, capital T. Anyway, so what this game is about, it's an online game only, and it is 5 characters in each match. There are 4 survivors and 1 killer. You can either play as a killer or the survivor, but the objective of the game is to, if you're playing killer, you want to prevent the survivors from repairing the generator so they can escape. And then you put them on a hook, like you kill them, you put them on a hook, like Texas Chainsaw Massacre style. That's all I like about the game. And if you're a survivor, you're supposed to like outrun and hide from the killer. So it's kind of like cat and mouse. It's really a lot of fun. I'm super addicted to it. I play like 2 or 3 hours a day. But yeah, if you guys want to hang out with me, if you got any questions, I'm probably going to put some footage of the game into this video so you'll be able to see what it looks like from like my perspective. But everything is in third person. If you play killer, you're playing in first person. If you're playing survivor, you are in third person so you can see your surroundings. But all right, if you have any questions about anything, don't forget to hit me up. Okay, bye. Yeah.